So today we'll be starting activity 5, the complex circuit. First thing to write our name on the checklist. We'll just do it up here. Peter Cleary. Check this off. Next we'll draw the schematic for the circuit build. So first we have our 7.5 volt voltage supply. Down into our 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is into our 220 ohm resistor. Here's our diode. Into our 10 kilo ohm resistor. We'll bring this through to another 10 kilo ohm resistor. Our TCRT 5000 is just around here. Sorry about the terrible drawing. Next we'll be coming in coming out of the top here we have another diode into our 220 ohm resistor. So we have our 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm, 220 ohm, 10 kilo ohm, our TCRT 4000, LM324. LM324 over here, and then our TCRT 5000 over here. So now we have drawn the schematic, we can move on to the next build circuit. So we'll now start the circuit build. We'll come over, we have all our pieces laid out here. We'll first start with the LM, up at the very top here. That is incorrectly. We got our first wire down on the 4th socket here. Push this over to the positive rail. There we are. We start with our 10 kilo ohm resistor. So now we're going to use the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Get in negative rail. Put it just here. Next we will get our 220 ohm resistor. Connect it into the negative rail again.
No, yeah, no, sorry. I see why you said you saw plus there. You went that has to be it. This is just notation used, so I understand that it's confusing notation. not there.
and connect it then
That's
to
the wire. There's
this.
things that you could do to cross check though. Double check would be okay. Because I said this green wire. This green wire is also connected to a resistor.
So I'm having a bit of trouble getting them in on camera. We finally got them in. We have our 10 kilo ohm resistor, our 220 ohm, another 10 kilo ohm, and then our 220 ohm down the bottom here. Now up here we have our 10 kilo ohm again. Next we can move on to the negative. We'll put it down the very bottom. We'll move this. Here, just like that. We'll use our positive. As so. Next you can move on to this green wire. Connect this up just here. Up to the second, just here.
Maybe going to be assessed on when we speak how well it was the video. So if the video is all blurry,
So we got a small green wire and connect it to the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Put up this second socket just here. So next what we can do is get our LED, connect the positive down here, and our negative up here. Like so. We now move on to connecting these together. Just like so. We connect this one here. Just like so. And then our final one. Yeah, our black one here as well.
where it is. Don't worry too much about the values because that's yeah. Why do you say that?
Like so. And our final one. There to there. And now we'll put in our diode. So now this is the circuit complete. You can tick off
What's the point of not having?
So this is the circuit now complete.
I don't know anything, bro. I don't know anything at all.
Relates to the schematic here. So you can take this box off. That's complete. We can move on to testing the circuit. So now we can move on to testing the circuit. So make sure it is on 7.5 volts. So there's a dim light coming from that if you cannot see. So we have now tested the circuit. We can go back and check that off the list.
Oh, but you need no, we can fix that. We need
Now next is to relate the nodes on the breadboard to the circuit. So our first node is just here. And this is just on this point here. Our next node, the first node is here, which will be just there. The next node will be down here, which is just here. Next node is here, which comes around down the bottom here. Now we'll start with the ohms on this side, or the nodes. This is the 10 kilo ohm resistor, it's just here. 20 ohm, which is just in between here. The 10 kilo ohm, which is just down in between here. So now we have related the nodes on the schematic to the breadboard circuit. We have shown the checklist and updated during the video, and that is activity 5 completed.